Hello everybody, welcome to our class Passionate Learners. Today in this class we're going to discuss a topic known as the Havighurst Developmental Theory. This is the part of Psychology of Learning and Development subject. This is from EMET syllabus. We have already learned different stages of human life. A human comes across different stages in his lifetime. So in B.Ed we have learnt about the Piaget stages of development. In M.Ed we are going to learn about the Havighurst developmental theory. So let us get into it. Havighurst developmental task. What is a developmental task according to Havighurst? We'll learn in this slide. Developmental task is a task which arises at certain period in life. This leads to success and happiness in one's life. If the task is not accomplished, it leads to unhappiness and delay in accomplishment of later tasks. According to Havighurst, a developmental task is a task which should be accomplished at a particular stage in the life. So if it is done at the correct age, then it leads to happiness. If the particular development is not done at the particular stage, it leads to unhappiness. This is what is the definition of developmental task. In short, skills that should be mastered at certain stage in the life should be done. If not, they lead to unhappiness. So the task which should be done at a particular time has to be done at that particular time only, which leads to happiness. If it doesn't happen at this particular time, if there is a delay in occurrence of that particular development, it leads to unhappiness. This is what Havighurst is trying to say here. And the different stages in this Havighurst development are infancy and early childhood, later childhood, adolescence, early adulthood, later adulthood, and finally the old age. So on what different kind of tasks this development depends upon is that the physical maturation, personal values, and society. The development across human life can be observed in these three different sources. Means the aspects on which we can find the development is on the physical maturation and the personal values and the society. We all know the physical maturation is related to body, like learning to walk, talk, control of urine, etc. And coming to the personal values, it is choosing an occupation, outlook for life, one's own philosophy. And then society. We all know society, how an individual behaves in the society, how an individual gets adjusted in the society. So this is what are the tasks which the development depends upon. So the first stage in this Havighurst developmental task is infancy and early childhood, which is from 0 to 5 years. What happens in this stage are a child learns to talk, take solid food, walk, urine, bowel control, learning sex differences. So all these things happens in infancy and early childhood stages. The next stage is late childhood, which is from 6 to 12 years. What happens here is learning physical tasks, games, developing moral values, good attitude, cooperation, reading, writing, independence, etc. The next stage is adolescence, which is from 13 to 19 years. What happens here? Accepting one's physique, developing good habits, balancing stress and storm, social acceptable behavior, emotional maturity, intellectual skills. So we all know that adolescence is a stage of stress and storm. A child should know how to manage this stress and storm and live peacefully and learn good moral and ethical behavior and learn few intellectual skills. All these things happens in adolescence. And the next stage is early adulthood, which is from 20 to 30 years. Here, what happens is that selecting a mate, learning to live with a partner, starting a family, rearing children, managing a home, starting an occupation. Everything related to settlement happens here. Settling with good job, settling with good salary, settling with good mate. All these things happens in the early adulthood. The next stage is late adulthood, which is from 31 to 60 years. What happens here is helping the teenage children to become happy and responsible adults, achieving social responsibility, adjusting to aging parents, accepting psychological changes. And the last stage is late maturity. So here the ability, the strength and the health, everything becomes less. So decreasing strength and health happens here, retirement and reduced income, death of spouse, establishing relations with one's own age group. These kind of things happen in late maturity. So this is the information about Haviger's developmental task and all the stages which happen in the human life according to Haviger's. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to Passionate Learners. Thank you so much.